In this video, I will be showing you how to install the Grok 3 AI app on PC. Let's get started. I start by launching my Google Chrome browser on my computer. I move the cursor up to the search bar at the very top of the screen and click inside it. Now, I type Grok and hit enter to execute a Google search. Once the search results load, I look at the top link, which is the official website for Grok. I bring my cursor down and click directly on the main Grok link to open up the platform. The website loads into the main interface for the Grok AI tool. Now, to begin the process to install the Grok 3 AI app on PC, I navigate over to the top right corner of the browser window and click on the three vertical dots to open up the Chrome menu. I scroll down through the available menu options until I reach Cast, Save, and Share. I hover over this selection to open up a side panel. From this secondary menu, I move over and click on the option that says Install Grok. A pop-up confirmation window immediately appears at the top center of the screen, asking if I want to install the app. I move my mouse cursor over to the blue Install button and click it to finalize the setup. The screen briefly refreshes, and Grok now opens up in its own dedicated, standalone desktop application window, completely separate from the standard Google Chrome browser interface. To test out our newly installed application, I click inside the main prompt field at the bottom center of the interface where it says, "What's on your mind?" I type out a detailed request: create a one-week meal plan for someone who wants to eat healthier while staying within a budget. After finishing the prompt, I move to the right side of the input box and click on the black arrow button to send the request to the AI. The application begins processing my request, displaying a working status indicator at the top left of the chat window. It counts up the processing seconds as it generates the layout. Within a few seconds, the complete response populates the screen. I can see a fully structured, one-week healthy and budget-friendly meal plan, complete with core guidelines covering hydration, portion sizes, meal preparation tips, and shopping strategies. Below that, it has generated a weekly shopping list with approximate pricing broken down by categories like proteins, grains, produce, and dairy. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.